So my name is Susan. We are the Inel Kitchen company from China. We special for the kitchen equipment for the resort supply. And this time we bring one of our new product here. This is the air cooling system special used in the kitchen. Can reduce 5 to 8 degree temperature. So I think that all the chefs will be very happy to when they see this product. And for this exhibition, I think this is the second time we participate this FHAM. And then after the COVID, this is the second time. Just like we come back to see all the old friends, just like family. How to say, just like family. We see so many the old friends in the exhibition and also make friends with some new friends. So it's good. It's good. Yeah. We're happy that to be here to participate in the exhibition and to see the old friends and also bring our new product for all the friends. Thank you.